what's happening, guys? My name is Musi and this is day 2 of the 30-day YouTube quarantine challenge. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I make mood boards, why I make mood boards, and why you should make mood boards if you're a creative person. Let's go. What is a mood board? For me, a mood board is a collection of images, videos, any kind of resources or materials that will give you an idea of what to expect visually. For me, that's what a mood board is. It's supposed to set the mood and tone for the project that you're working on. I've made multiple mood boards in the past, but this time I want to make a mood board for my channel, kind of the visual aesthetic that I'm going after, be it based off of other YouTubers, interesting things that I found, ideas that I want to try out. But in general, there are things that I want to recreate, things that they kind of caught my eye, and I was like, you know what, I really like that, I want to integrate it into my project, and that's what you would include on your mood board. With that being said, let's jump right in. And yes, I changed, it was a little bit cold. It's later on in the day as well. Let's go to Pinterest. So I have many mood boards actually that I've created over time. I have a mood board, for example, for different sections for my website. These are all the different elements that I found interesting, whether it was an implementation of a web animation or something, for example, that I liked, like how it looked on mobile, and I want to make my website look like that. So I collect these assets. So when I'm designing something, I look at it for reference, be like, yes, this matches my brand identity, and so does this. And also, so does this. These things look similar to each other. So when I'm designing something, I could reference them to kind of set the tone and feel for the project. Let's see, what else do we have? So I've made this mood board. This mood board has been there since almost day 1. And this is pretty much graphic design oriented. These are all things that, interest me when it comes to graphic design. And if I were to be a full-time designer, that's the kind of work that I want to be doing. So you can see here, there's a lot of common themes with the things that I like. It's very illustrative, illustration driven. Like I love that look. Also, like the big bold fonts, big bold. The big bold fonts, it's something that's it resonates a lot with my brand identity, so that's something that I want to include a lot. So this is also another mood board that I've made for my brand identity. These are all things that have very similar looks and feels and contrast between black and white, color and monotone. And for me, having something like this that you could look back at when you're not sure which direction you should move in is something very important. If you're a designer or a content creator, then I'm sure this is something that's going to help you. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I had a little bit more time. I got started early in the morning, so I had a little bit more time to put into the video, but I still feel like I can give it a bit more quality, if you know what I mean. This is end of day 2 of the 30-day challenge. It is Friday night. I'm gonna go sleep. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Oh yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Means a lot. Peace.